Here's Jared. This is a Pittsburgh Elevator in Penn Hills at an apartment building. The elevator's very busy, so hopefully I get a good ride. Very small. Go to 6. Sadly, the floor buttons have been replaced with GAL at some point. Other than that, that's original. Door open alarm storage on the panel. Motor's been replaced, sadly. 6-floor hydraulic. Kind of weird as it's single call automatic, but it remembers calls. Yeah, black armor illuminating originally. Here it's 6. And now the floor buttons light up, but the call buttons are just kind of weird. Dark. Oh, looks bright on camera. Go back down to 1. Basic old small cam. That emergency light does not work. Very cookie positioner. So over here actually has a trick where you can reverse on every floor except for 2, I think. Or maybe I'm wrong. Yeah. Open a little bit. Here, 2. Jared must have done that. Did you reverse it?
I hit the call button. I didn't mean to reverse it.
I think every time you hit the call, it'll reverse it. Closing that's gonna be alright. It's a crescent key, even though it's on focus.